Hey Keith, it's Sherry, and I'm logged into your account, and I was going to set up your campaign and show you what I'm doing. So I'm here on the dashboard, which is this top left menu here, and I'm going to click on this drop down list under where it says your current campaign and click create campaign, and I'll just give it a name. I'm going to call it WooCar Keith. Create new campaign. When you get to this page, there's really only one thing you want to do. You want to click here on Edit Campaign Settings and go to this second menu item, which is Profile. Actually, sorry, the third one, Permission, and just uncheck these two boxes here. This is turning on double opt-in. We want to actually turn it off by unchecking these two boxes. And you can just click away from there, and if you click back, it shows you that it saved the changes. Okay, so that's all we have to do there. Then we're going to go to Messages, Preload. This is the only tricky part. We're going to choose this link that says Change Source Account right here, and I'm going to type in the name of my campaign. And on this login to change this to campaign. So it says this is my campaign, and it says campaign right here, and then click login and click OK on this message, and notice it pulls in all my letters over here on the left, and over here on the right just choose where you want them to go. So I'm going to send them to the WooCar Keith autoresponder and copy all. Come down to the bottom and click Save. Okay, then you go to Messages, Manage Autoresponders, and sorry, my Skype keeps popping up. There's two views here. There's this one, which is like the calendar view, and then if you click this list button right here under Create New, if you can see my cursor, click like this, and it'll give you a list, and I kind of like it this way better. And each of these letters you can come in and click the gear icon and click Edit, and then it'll pull up this little window right here, and you can click Edit Message right here. You can change the subject line if you want and click Next Step. And then this screen that pops up will give you the opportunity to actually edit the letter. Now, some of these images, if you click on the image, a lot of them will have a link underneath the image, so be sure to check and replace any URLs that might be hiding under any of the images. Some of them do, some of them don't. Like here's a button right here that has a link right here. This should be your customer referral number, not your BA number. It's a little different. This one right here, actually the button's missing. I would need to fix that in mine. If you want to switch out the picture, you can. Well, you would want to. And then edit your text. But hopefully you've had enough experience with autoresponders that you can kind of figure this part out. And then just click Next Step. And then your message is edited, and then you can just click Save and Publish. So you'll want to, make sure you edit each letter appropriately, and you can change the day that it's delivered on right here. Beyond that, if you need a capture form, you can just go here to Web Forms, Create New. And there's a bunch of different designs. Like this one, for example. You can click apply and then scroll down here, and if you hover over each of these little sections, it'll allow you to edit them. So like if I want to edit the button, I could, you know, change it from sign up to click here, or whatever. You know, you could do submit, whatever you want. And then just do next step. If you have a special thank you page, you could put it in here or just use the default thank you page. And I usually name my web form with the same name as my campaign. And next step. Here's your HTML code right here for your form if you want to embed this capture form into a capture page. It's all right here. And that's pretty much it. That web form will always be there for you. You can click View Source, and if you ever need to retrieve that code again, it's under the View Source button, so we'll take you back here. And that's pretty much it. If you want to create a newsletter in this campaign, like a broadcast, you can click Create Newsletter. And I like this one, this new email creator. And you would just give it a message name that's known to you, and then your subject line. Click Next Step. Okay, so XYZ. It doesn't like it to be X. Then you've got all these templates. I usually use either this one, or this one. If you use the blank template, I'll show you what happens. You have all these elements over here on the right that you, on the right that you can drag in. So you can drag in a text box, drag in an image block, drag in another text block, and you can create your own little formats. There's other things here that you can drag in, like a button. So just, you know, you can pretty much make this however you want. You can send a test message to yourself if you want. You got mobile preview over here, you know, how it looks on a cell phone if you want. It's pretty cool. And then you just click Next Step. Choose, you know, who you want to send it to. So perhaps you wanted to send it to all campaigns. I'm not actually going to send this, but you can pull in all subscribers if you want to, and then click Next Step. And you can either send it out right now by clicking Send, or you can schedule it for a time in the future. So I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to exit out here. But that's pretty much it. I mean, you can make it complicated or you can keep it pretty simple. So your autoresponders are all right here. And the preload is how you copy in a campaign. You really just need someone's campaign name and you're good to go. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and log out and email you that it's done. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to help. Okay, take care, Keith. Bye-bye.